It goes without saying, no one ever wants to be hit by a car while walking or riding their bicycle, but it unfortunately does happen. Last year, there were 168 collisions in Halifax Regional Municipality, resulting in 175 pedestrians being injured. That's about one collision every other day, and of course, that's way too many people being injured. But what if there was a way to know where these hot spots are? And what about those risk factors that contribute to all of these accidents happening? Well, it turns out that there's been a study done addressing Halifax accidents and where they happen. They were able to determine the top 10 most dangerous areas for cyclists and pedestrians, along with some other environmental risk factors that can contribute to the likelihood of somebody being involved in an accident. So the big question is, of course, where are these accident hotspots? As per the Simon Fraser University study, published in March of this year, the top 10 most dangerous areas for cyclists and pedestrians in HRM are spread out between Halifax and Dartmouth. Some of the hotspots may surprise you. Here's the list for Halifax. Number 1, the downtown core. Maybe this is unsurprising, but in particular, between Citadel Hill and Halifax Harbourfront is a hotspot for accidents. A second spot is Barrington Street, between the Cogswell Street interchange and Cornwallis Street. Another is the area around Halifax Shopping Centre. That's not too surprising because it's busy there and there's lots of confusing intersections. Another one is the classic Willow Tree intersection in the area around the Halifax Commons. Slightly out of town is Herring Cove Road between Macintosh Street and Williams Lake Road, and another is Lacewood Drive between Bayview and Dunbrack. Dartmouth is home to 4 out of the 10 accident hotspots in HRM. One of them is the area around the intersection of Portland Street and Pleasant Street. A second is the area around the Zatzman Sportsplex at Wise Road. The third is Pleasant Street between Prince Arthur Ave and Highway 111. And the fourth is Victoria Road between Highfield Park Drive and Albro Lake Road. Whether you're on a bike or walking, be sure to take an extra moment and look around. When biking, be sure to check over your shoulder. For pedestrians, just go back to basics. Look both ways and make eye contact with the driver before you set foot in the street. When you're on your regular commute or just out for a walk, consider this list of high-risk factors that contribute to accidents in Halifax. Long stretches of blocks, bus stops, streets without medians, roads with 4 or more lanes, areas with blind turns or with retail locations, roads that have attractions that may distract drivers, high traffic areas, and long stretches of roadway without crosswalks. Areas with 1 or more of these environmental risk factors tend to see more pedestrian and bicycle accidents. Unfortunately, no matter how aware you are of your surroundings or how prepared you are, given the situation and the factors around you, accidents can still happen, and unfortunately, they do happen. Nova Injury Law offers no obligation free case reviews to help injury victims know where they stand. We offer no-win, no-fee agreements because we know that our clients love these types of agreements. Nothing's owed up front, and legal fees aren't paid until we win the case. Our clients know that we're standing next to them until the case is through. If you have unfortunately found yourself in one of these pedestrian or cycling accidents, it is important that you receive proper compensation for your injuries. Doing so can ensure that you're able to focus on what's most important, which is your recovery. We're here to answer any questions, and we welcome your call.